Here's a clear, step-by-step guide for the curtsy lunge, plus side leg raise, with a mini band above the knees, plus what it works and why it's powerful. How to do it, step by step. 1 setup. Place a mini resistance band just above your knees. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Keep your chest lifted and core engaged. Choose curtsy lunge, the back cross move. Step your right leg diagonally behind your left leg. Bend both knees into a lunge. Front knee tracks over toes. Don't let it collapse inward. Back knee lowers toward the floor. Think curtsy like a bow. 3. Drive up side leg raise. Push through your front left heel to stand up. As you rise, lift your right leg out to the side. Keep tension on the band the whole time. Toes slightly forward or neutral, not turned up. 4. Reset. Bring the leg back to start. Repeat reps, then switch sides. Form tips important. Keep hips facing forward, don't twist. Stay upright, don't lean too far forward. Push knees slightly outward against the band. Move slow and controlled, no swinging. Muscles working. Primary muscles: gluteus medius, side glutes, main muscle for hip width and shape. Gluteus maximus, power and lift. Secondary muscles: quadriceps, front of thighs during lunge. Hamstrings, assist with stability. Inner thighs, adductors, stabilize during cross-back step. Core, balance and control. Benefits of this exercise: 1. Builds wider, rounder hips. The side leg raise plus band tension strongly activates side glutes, helps create that hourglass shape. 2. Improves balance and stability. The curtsy motion challenges coordination and single leg strength. 3. Targets glutes from multiple angles. Curtsy, diagonal, deep glute fibers. Side raise, lunge lateral, side glutes. More complete glute development than regular lunges. 4. Helps prevent knee collapse. Band forces knees outward, strengthens hip stabilizers. Great for injury prevention. 5. Functional lower body strength. Mimics real-life movement, stepping, turning, stabilizing. Pro tip: to feel it more in your glutes, slightly lean your torso forward during the lunge. Focus on pushing through your heel, not your toes. Pause 1-2 seconds at the top of the side leg raise. Thanks for watching.